Good day, everyone. We find ourselves together again. We find ourselves together with some more green and yellows again. One more opportunity to look at equations differently than we have in the past with what's called nowadays as algebra tiles. As I'm doing this, I realize, let's see, how can I get? Oh, there we go. Squeeze it in there. With these algebra tiles, these green and yellow algebra tiles, we're going to do a little bit more of this concept. Seeing equations a little more concretely and with actual models to help us figure it out. So let's do a little bit with multiply and divide. Oh, that's too small. You got to see something. Show me at least a little bit. Here we go. What if we have an equation? 2x equals 14. What if these two of these unknowns equals 14? But if 2x's is the exact same thing as 14, the number 14, what is 1x? Well, here's one way to look at it. 1x is there and 1x there. Split these piles, divide them into two even piles. Let's see if I can get two even piles here. How can I make sure that I've got even piles? Make the two piles look somewhat the same. There's that, and there's that. When you put them into equal piles, there we go. So 1x, one of these x's is 7. And 1x is 7 because you know they're the same number on this side of the equal sign, so you just have to make them the same number on the other. You just split it into two equal piles. And you know that if you just take 14 and divide it by 2, you do the opposite operation. You know that 14 divided by 2 is 7. And if I put 7 back in there, 2 times 7 is 14. Just like yesterday, except instead of combining the tiles on both sides, we're now splitting them into numbers to make one tile worth what it's worth. Well, how many x's should I do? Let's do should I do like how many is this? 5 x's. So what if I have the equation 5 x's on this side equals, and let's play around with it. Just grab a bunch of these. Now the hardship here is I want to make it something where it makes sense to what we're doing. So I've got these 5 x's, and then I'm gonna split these into 5 equal piles. And so it takes a little bit of work when you're doing it with a picture, and that's why we don't do all our math this way. But so you can see what's happening. See what the equal piles are here. You can fast forward this video. Maybe I should have hit pause, but you can just scroll the button till we're there. And there we have it. We have, let's see, we had 30 tiles here. And if I split them into 5 equal tiles, then each of these x's are worth 6. So if 5 x's is 30, then one of the x's each is worth 6 of them. So x equals 6. Just another quick, easy way to pictorially show what an equation means. And what does it mean about this variable? We're trying to figure out what this variable means. Well, it means that if 5 of these x's is 30 altogether, then that means, and they're all the exact same thing, and that means that all in one they're 6 each. I'm stalling to try to get to 5 minutes. Don't think I'm going to make it. It was good to see you. Hope you have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.